Today we're at Atlantis in the Bahamas. Welcome to episode 16 of our vlog from Atlantis in the Bahamas. This was August of 2021. It's nighttime and we've already had dinner, kind of checked out the Marina Village. It's kind of time to head back to the room. So we have to walk all the way across the property. So we're staying at the Royal Towers, and so that means we have to go back through sort of the little shopping area. We have to walk through the casino floor. So when you're staying in Atlantis in the Bahamas, you definitely get your steps in because it's a very large property that's spread out across several different buildings. It takes up most of Pleasure Island in Nassau, and it's a very, like I said, it's a very large property. Royal Towers is where we're staying. We had dinner over in the Cove Towers. We walked over to the Marina Village. We walked kind of all over the place over the course of the 2 days that we stayed there. Really got a chance to kind of see and experience the full resort. We'd been there before a couple of times for a few hours at a time for a cruise excursion, but this was our first chance to really stay there and sort of experience the resort. And kind of interesting to walk through the casino floor because the way they set up the layout of Atlantis, you really didn't have a choice. If you wanted to go from the lobby of the Royal Towers to the Marina Village, for example, you had to walk through the casino floor. So there was definitely kind of a constant flow of foot traffic through there. And I was kind of recording the whole way in and the whole way back, and nobody ever said a word to me. So that was very nice.